I got my 2 little drawer sets from Jolie, and I was so excited to get them. And now I want to get started on them. And in this bag, she sent me 6 of these little porcelain knobs in case I wanted to use those. And then, of course, she sent me the ones that was already on them. But, of course, she had covered, evidently, taken them off and covered the holes. And she had already put the antiquing wax on it, or a stain, which I was tickled with because that's what I was going to do. And it just saves me from doing that. The knobs I'll probably put back on. And I don't know which one I'll use because I have some prints that I'm going to use. And I'm going to have to see which ones fit it the best. And this top one was kind of broke in pieces. Like this little piece here was shoved back in there. And at first I didn't think it had this here. And I got to look and no, it had just slid back in there. And I pulled it out. And I glued it up here. And then I glued that in. And I clamped it down. And it's ready to go. It's all fixed. And the first thing I'm going to do, the color I'm going to use is black. So I'm going to paint everything black to start with. Oh, and I also wanted to show you, I don't know if you can see it, I made me a cap and a t-shirt that says, take me to the thrift shop. But I done that in Chat GPT, the image, and I put it on a t-shirt and on a hat. Oh, it turned out kind of cute. Really cute, actually. I really like the t-shirt. But now I'm going to get started on this. I'm going to paint it black. And I want to tell you, Jolie, thank you so much. Because I keep, every time I go into town, well, I went into town again yesterday or day before? I can't remember. And I checked at a Dollar General, still no luck. I do not believe I would have gotten them if you hadn't have sent them to me. And I so appreciate it. Thank you so much. I finished painting my drawer all black. And there's the images I'm going to use. And I've sprayed those with hairspray and letting those dry. And now I'm going to take this to the garage and use my sander on it and distress it. Now, I am ready to decoupage some images I made on Chat GPT, and it took me a long time. And I finally learned, if you see something you like and you want to change a little something on it, you tell what you want to change and you tell them to leave the rest alone. Do not change anything else. Because I'd find something I wanted to change, and I would change it and turn around and I'd look and I thought, that is not what I had. They'll change, say you want a crock on there. They'll put a different style crock, or it's just, you just got to tell it to leave it alone. Like if you want to change the font, you say change the font, but leave everything else alone. I have probably 60 different images working on that. I'll get the hang of it. So, I'm going to decoupage this on there. And this is printed off on matte photo paper. Because I printed it off on regular paper and it was just too dull looking. As soon as I get this on there, I'll show you the difference between the two. Okay. I couldn't print out the whole from edge to edge. My paper was only 11 inches. And the piece is, I think, 11 3/4, the drawer. Okay, get that on there good. I might, I don't know, take my finger sander after I'm finished and sand the edges. I'm just not real sure yet. Okay, that one has craft. And the next one we'll do Inspire. Now get this on there even. The next two drawers, this is 2 sets of drawers that you get at Dollar General for $12. My Dollar General, I have 2 Dollar Generals in my area, and I should have went to Moreland and checked that one, but that was out of my way. But they in town did not have these, and I've checked, and I'm sure glad Jolie sent them to me. Okay, the next 2 things I'll put on, because it'll be repetitious. I will put on Create and Rustic Creations. And then I want to show you the difference. Well, these are different images because it's some that I printed out. Didn't like and changed them because I didn't like the really tall thimble. I didn't like the tall spools of thread. Okay, but you can see clearly the difference in the way the photo paper, the matte photo paper, prints out than the plain paper. And somehow, oh, I know I used cardstock on. This was cardstock. It wasn't plain paper, it's cardstock, because I was going to go longer to fit the whole drawer. Decided against it, went the shorter way with 11 inches on the photo paper because the image was just much better. So now I'm going to finish putting these 2 on the other drawers. Now I am going over each one with some Mod Podge on top. Gonna make sure I got the whole thing covered. All right, I'm going to finish going over this, and we'll do something else on it. Well, I've decided with the drawers, with what I have, the images I have on there. There's the porcelain knob, which is cute, but it's not really what I'm wanting, I don't think. And then this is going, the smaller one, I'd rather have a little bit smaller, and I'm going to paint it black. And I forgot to drill my holes. But I'll have to do that later. And hopefully the knob, if I mess it up, will cover up the mess up. I've stuck it down some styrofoam. And just going to give them a coat of black. Now, I'm going to go over them with this Folk Art Antiquing Wax. And I got the knobs on. And it wasn't hard to do. They went on just fine. And I think that black, with the black, it goes. So that's why I went with that instead of the porcelain. And now, I tested the Jolie. And then this one. This was Jolie I put down here. It didn't hardly show. So I'm going to go with the Folk Art Antiquing Wax. And I'm just going to go all over it, and then I'll wipe it back. And I think I'll go over the front of the drawers also. And then once I do that, I think this will be finished. I don't believe I'm going to put anything on the top of it. And I've got to wipe that back before it dries, because I have the ceiling fan going and it's drying really fast. And now I have a story to tell you. You see where that sidewalk is and that black hose? Okay, the other night my husband went out to shut up the chickens, and the younger chickens weren't in yet. So he'd left them out a little longer, and I had been sitting out on the porch, and I didn't have the lights on because the June bugs are terrible. So I decided I would go on out and see if they were ready to be shut up. It was dark. They should be in. So I went out with my phone and I turned the light on my phone and I found them and they were all in. Everything was fine. So I shut them up. So I come back up here and I walk down that sidewalk back up to the door, and I kind of looked down and I thought there was something on that black hose. I just wasn't really sure what it was, or what I hope it wasn't, okay? And I went kind of scooted back and went past it, and I saw Kit Kat. She was out, and she was kind of over to kind of from the, well, she was back away from it, and she was looking. I thought, okay, what is she looking at? So I turned the light on my phone, and I pointed at that hose, and it was a rattlesnake. I walked right past it. So now I've told you the story. I did get a little bit of it on film.
There, I got him. Finally.
Oh my God, I walked right past him. Watch him, you got his head down. Oh, I did. I walked right past him. He was right there. Oh, okay, you need something. We don't have anything up here, Lord, anymore. What do we got over here? A shovel. Oh. Okay.
Bring me a, yeah, I don't care what you said. Whatever you can find.
I went to get something. God, I walked right past him. Okay, I'm showing you here. This was just a little bit later, and Kit Kat is still frightened to death, and she's looking to see if there's anything there. I mean, she evidently had been watching that snake for a while. Okay, you know on Jaws where the guy says, I think I need a bigger boat? Well, I think I need a bigger box. All right, let's go back to the video. No, I've coated the boxes, and now I'm going to do the drawers, especially around the edges. And I'm going to swoop it over in here some. And I don't want to let it set too long. Even though it's got Mod Podge on it, it's really sucking it in. Well, if I get too much on it, I'll get my clear wax and wipe it back some. But I did want some brown on it. I didn't want it the bright white. I'm liking that. I like it looking a little heavier around the knob area. Okay. Right there. Now that looks white right in there. Okay, now I'll show you the difference. This is one that I put it on, and this is without. You can see this is much brighter, and I think this fits in more with the black. Now I'm going to finish doing it to the other drawers, and then I think it will be finished, because I don't believe, like I said before, I'm going to put anything on the top part, but we'll see. Sometimes I change my mind.